So here when this screen comes, click on something else and click on continue from here. And here now, as you can see that we have a lot of the partitions in here, so we will just manipulate this 100 GB partition. Alright, we will not touch these both partitions. So for this, just click on minus sign in here so as to delete this partition completely. And now we have a free space of 100 GB. Now click on plus sign, and now here you have to just click on primary, and for the partition sizes just refer to this manual. For the root partition size, we have to give it at least 20 GB and max 30 GB is enough. Alright, so we will give it 20 GB size. So this one is the size of the root partition we have, and give it this / okay, and click on OK. Now we have a root partition, and now from the left space we will click on add again, and in here we will just choose the swap area. Okay, and for the swap area what we have to do is just refer to the manual again, and here is the swap area we have. If you don't want hibernation, then follow this table, the middle one, second one, and if you want with hibernation enabled, so you have to refer to the column number 3rd, and max size for swap area is this one, last column. Alright, so my RAM is 2 GB, so what I will do is I will give it a swap partition of 3 GB because it's recommended partition for hibernation. Alright, so 3 GB is enough. It is given up to 128 GB of RAMs. Alright, so let me show you. I will give it around 3 GB, so 3 into 1024, that gives us 3072. Okay, so just click on OK. Now after this, what we will do is the remaining space. What we have to do is click on plus sign. Either we can give the remaining space to the home partition completely, or we can just take some space so that which can be used for our other partitions. Like if I want to give it 80 GB of home partition, and then I will click on OK. And here you can see that we have some space left, around 3999 MBs, which we can use to add to these NTFS partitions. Alright, so this is okay from here now, and now we will just proceed for the device for bootloader installation. The device which you need to choose is the main disk where we have created these partitions, is this SDA. So we will just choose from this disk for boot installation is SDA. Okay, and then click on install now and click on continue. Now we have to choose our region located. Okay, continue, and now you have to type in your username. Mine is BoostUpStation, and this password is subscribe, and then click on continue. Now it is just copying the files, and it will be installed in around 5 to 10 minutes. It is downloading the updates. If you're not connected to the internet, then you may download the updates afterwards also. I will show you that. The installation is complete, so just click on restart now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.